Absolutely, any hand sander that oscillates can give you a stunning, jaw-dropping glossy finish. From DIY Detail, you're going to need their jeweling pad and their ceramic gloss product. I learned this technique directly from Ivan LaCroix of DIY Detail during a workshop that I took with him. It's important for me to convey this to you. There's a lot of detailing content on YouTube, and I'm appreciative that you're willing to spend your time with me learning this. I'm going to make this worth your while. Let's get going.
Okay, sunglass engineers, let's get this party started. So this is a Milwaukee palm sander. I got the lightest battery I have, which is a 5 amp hour or whatever. Speed, I'm probably gonna put it on 2. I did give this a quick little mist of rinseless wash to wet the surface. And really wet is the wrong word, to just slightly dampen the surface. Now I'm gonna spray it with ceramic gloss. Okay, and then my surface, very lightly with ceramic gloss. We're going to start here. Right. So we're on speed setting 2. This is the new standard that they have. I might have put too much of the rinseless, but it's better to start out wetter than drier. Gold 360, one of my favorite microfibers, seems to just glide across the paint surface. Okay, so I've got all the moisture up. This is my buffing towel, edgeless. This is a Griot's towel. Get the buff out of it. So I don't need another bit of rinseless. I'm going to do this forward panel here. Spray just one for the pad. Four. It's really nothing to dry, but we're buffing in 2 stages. Now, putting on ceramic gloss all by itself, the car's gonna look great. It's gonna look great. However, when I talked to Ivan about this during a weekend detail class I took with him, he said, yeah, you'll get more gloss out of it. I said, well, how much gloss? Is there a percentage? And I don't quite recall the way he framed his answer, rather than, you know, you're gonna get more. Was basically what he said. If it's 5% more and it's a Friday and I've got the time to do it, I'll take that 5% all day long. All day long.
Nice mobile, man.
Oh, yeah, I did it yesterday. Thanks.
Really looks nice.
Appreciate it. I hope you guys got that on camera. I did not ask him to walk by. All right.
The results are self-evident. From what you see, it's what you get. Ceramic detail sprays. There's a lot of them out there. How do you know which one to pick? Ceramic gloss is a cutting-edge ceramic coating that amplifies for a stunning level of shine and months of protection for your vehicle. You get protection from UV ray, from acid rain, light scratches. The slickness will just keep the scratches from happening when you use it as a drying aid. If you spray it onto your drying towel, you mist it onto the surface, and you're not going to get any of that micro marring that can happen with lesser towels or, inferior sprays. There's also a water resistance that you get using ceramic gloss, and it minimizes pollen buildup. I carry probably 8 different brands, international brands, full line in my garage. I've been relying more and more on DIY detail chemicals to make my car's appearance stand out. I'm not looking to be seen. I'm looking to satisfy myself, and I'm my own harshest critic. If something doesn't meet my expectations, I won't abide it. I'll go to the next thing. And I keep using DIY detail chemicals for this outstanding result. Now here's the thing of it. DIY Detail makes another product that will boost the gloss even more, and that's C6 Mist, but I wouldn't use it with the circular sander. If you just spray it on and spray it off, you'll get more of that mirror reflective pool type finish. Now, at the end of this video, I have a referral code. I dearly appreciate it if you shop with my code, and it's Sound and Gloss 10. Yes, I get something back for this, but what I'm trying to do is bring to you information and techniques that are off of the mainstream. I don't make Me Too videos. I don't do battle videos. I hope that I earn a place in the amount of time that you spend on YouTube doing your research. This is a friendly place. There's no judgments here. Communicate with people in the comment section. Once I read it, I'll get back to you as soon as possible if you have a question on how I did this or what I would recommend. Sound and Gloss engineers, take care of you. Take care of your car.